Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price, loaded with features. Features also include keyless entry, parking sensors, MP3, USB audio interface, hands-free Bluetooth integration. Stop by and take a look at the 2017 3 Series. This vehicle is powered by a rear-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.0-liter engine, and comes with an automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, turbocharged, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, integrated turn signal mirrors. Inside you'll find keyless entry, rear AC, HD radio, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, premium sound system, keyless start, security system, MP3 player. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.